me, Serena. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here with me today. Today I've got another great video sponsored by CupsheApp. Y'all have really enjoyed the videos I've done featuring CupsheApp items in the past, and this one will be no exception. CupsheApp is a women's clothing brand that's been around for several years. They started as a swimsuit company, but they are so much more than that now. They have all kinds of clothing and accessories for women, and I can't wait to show you what I've got for fall from CupsheApp today. Did you know that CupsheApp has an app you can download? Well, if you download that app and shop using the app, you can get 20% off your purchase. I will have a code down in the description below, and you can get 20% off your order of $105 or more by using that code. And if you're not into downloading the app and you still want to save some money, you can use the code SERENA15 and you'll save 15% on any order of $65 or more. And I'll have all that info as well as links to these items down in the description below. So be sure to check that out so you can save yourself some money with CupsheApp. Okay, first look. I'm featuring this jumpsuit by CupsheApp. It is a super soft t-shirt like fabric, and it just has one little button in the back that you fasten, and it wasn't hard for me to fasten on my own after I got it on. And this outfit, y'all, is just super comfy. It's a great travel outfit, a great item that you can roll up and stuff in your suitcase, and it travels really well because it's not gonna wrinkle. I mean, it came to me in a package and I unfolded it and hung it up. There's not one wrinkle. So very great for traveling, and it's super comfy. This little jumpsuit is very versatile. You can either wear it off one shoulder or on both shoulders, kind of as a wide boat neck. So you might want to wear a strapless bra with it, or a bralette that you don't mind showing, you know, when you have it either boat neck style or off one shoulder. But this is just very versatile in that you can dress it up and down. Here I've got it with just a pair of sneakers, and you could throw on a jean jacket or a cardigan or something over this, layer it up, and it's just a super comfy and versatile outfit. But then, depending on what kind of shoes and accessories you put with it, you could put some sandals or shoes, mules, or something with booties with a little heel on, and carry a little more dressy handbag and put on some cute jewelry, and then you've dressed this outfit up. So that is why it's such a great travel piece. It's very popular for that, and it does have this elastic waist, so it's super comfy. It also has a little tie here in front, but that is just for aesthetics. It doesn't cinch it up or anything because you've got full elastic in the waist. So just a very comfy and versatile piece from CupsheApp. Okay, this next outfit is probably my favorite of the haul. And I have to tell you a story about it before you see this outfit. So several nights ago, one of my daughters and we were hanging out, going through my CupsheApp haul as well as some other hauls that had arrived, and looking at all the pieces, hanging everything up, and we were just trying different things on, seeing how they fit, and we decided to do a little fashion show for my son, who is 9. And we had him score our outfits. So my daughter, she would pick out some pieces and put them together and go and walk through the living room, and he would give her a score, you know, 1 to 10, and I would do the same. So we were just doing that and having fun. And he was being kind of stingy with his points. I think the highest that he had given either one of us on anything was like a 7. And I put this next outfit on, and I went in there, and when I walked in, he said, 10 out of 10, 10, 10, 10 out of 10. So this outfit got the highest score out of our little family fashion show, and it is this cable knit sweater and faux leather shorts. I love this outfit so much. This sweater, it's kind of a cropped sweater, but of course on me, being short-waisted, that just means it's the right length. It comes right to my waist. And then these shorts, they are just a pull-on style. They have pockets, and I think these are just a super flattering faux leather short. I love this outfit. And then rounding it out with the booties, it's just, I love this outfit, and clearly my son did too. So this is just a great way to pull in some faux leather on one of those days or evenings when it's not super cold and you can wear a sweater but you don't need to be bundled up. This is a perfect game day outfit because it's just black and cream. So you just put a button or pin on with your school's, colors and slogan or whatever, and get you some shakers and you'll fit in just fine no matter what the color scheme is. So it's a great game day outfit for that. I don't know, do y'all dress up for game day? That's a big thing here in the South. Football season is serious business down here, so everything about it is over the top, including the outfits on game day. So this is a typical game day outfit for a college football game. So maybe that's not the case where you live, let me know. But I love this outfit so much, and the best part is it's very comfortable, and even without the shorts, I know I will be wearing this little pullover all the way through winter. It's got this great cable knit design to it, just a classic. It'll look great with jeans and booties and really just anything, a skirt. So love this outfit so much. All right, the next outfit, it's not a dud, but if I had to pick a dud for this haul, this would be it. But there's nothing wrong with any of the pieces. It's just some fit issues for me. And that is this top that I'm wearing and this faux suede mini skirt. Now, I love the skirt. I love the style of it. I love the design of it. It's got a side zip. It's stretchy, so it's very comfy. And I'm wearing it and the top in a size medium. By the way, everything in this entire video I'm wearing in a size medium. Okay. So, this top is a waffle knit top. It's 100% polyester, so this is not a cotton waffle knit, but it is a waffle knit, and then it's got these cool lacy sleeves. So this is something that you can wear now because it's not going to overheat you, because I mean it's just lace on these sleeves. It's like wearing a sleeveless top. And the problem is this particular top, being a medium, it is very oversized on me. I mean, you can't tell it here, but it is long enough to be a tunic on me. I definitely could have used a small. So get your normal size. Do not size up in this top if you're interested. Now the skirt fits me perfectly. It's just a little short for me at this stage of the game. I wasn't sure how long it was going to be and how it would fit, but after receiving it, I was like, yeah, this is cute, but I just wouldn't feel comfortable in it. I even put on these over-the-knee boots to wear with it, just so I wouldn't have so much leg being exposed. And I do think this is a cute look. It's a cute outfit. But the top is too big and then the skirt is just too short for my personal taste. So if I was a little bit younger, I would wear this skirt no problem, but I would just feel a little bit self-conscious at 52 with a skirt and bare legs this short, which is kind of weird when you think about it, because we wear shorts that are this short or shorter and you don't think anything about it, but you put on a skirt this short and it just feels different, doesn't it? So I love the color, love the pumpkin-y or rust color of this skirt. I love the cream color of this top. Just having some fit issues on this one. Next up is another trend for fall that is very hot, and that is the sweater vest and the preppy look. So both of those are back big time this fall. The whole preppy look is big. You're seeing a lot of preppy items out there, including sweater vests. Sweater vests started coming back last year, and they are really back big time this year. So this sweater vest is by CupsHe. Yes, CupsHe makes sweaters, sweater vests, all kinds of stuff for fall and winter. This is in kind of a light brown color, and I just put it on with another trend, the oversized white shirt. This is one I already had in my closet, and with some faux leather leggings. The faux leather leggings, you could do black, but these are brown. I thought the light brown of the sweater and then the dark brown of the leggings was just a nice look. And then, yes, I have on black shoes, but that's okay. You can mix brown and black. As a matter of fact, that makes a very rich looking color combo. So don't be afraid to mix brown and black. But anyway, this sweater vest, I'm wearing it in a size medium. It's a great fit. It is long enough to cover in the front and in the back with these leggings, but you can wear this with anything. I just decided to do it with leggings because why not? It's another trend with the faux leather, but this would look equally great with jeans as well. You could just swap out the leggings for jeans, and this would be a great outfit. You could swap out the white blouse for a turtleneck if you didn't want to wear a button down, and wear a turtleneck under the sweater with jeans, and that would be a great look as well. So I love the idea of a sweater vest. It gives you that sweater, that texture, that third layer that really pulls an outfit together. In addition to swimsuits, CupsHe has really become known for dresses. They have so many dresses for all different occasions. And spring, summer, fall, winter, you can find a dress that suits you on CupsHe. And this one is such a pretty dress, and I would say, for me anyway, this would be a 3-season dress. Probably wouldn't wear it in the dead of winter, but definitely spring, summer, and fall, because our falls around here are warm. And that is this faux wrap dress with the floral. This looks so much more expensive than it is. It's the bodice and the skirt are fully lined, and then it has this lace overlay with a floral design, and then the sleeves are sheer, just with that floral lacy design. It's gorgeous. And this is kind of in a tan and ecru color, so it's just a gorgeous tone-on-tone look. You can really dress it up and make it look expensive with the right shoes and bag, just with that monochrome tone-on-tone look. Now, I did wear a little bralette under this. I probably didn't need to, but I would have needed some fashion tape to hold the two pieces of the dress together without them gapping and maybe showing something I didn't want to show. And I didn't have any fashion tape, so I put this bralette underneath. And it does the job, but the problem is it is white, and this dress is more of an ecru and tan and not a true white. So for that reason, I don't like that bralette underneath it, but that's why I did it. But you could use some fashion tape, or if you're not as big busted as me, you may have plenty of overlappage there and not even need fashion tape, but I would. And I didn't have any on hand, so I just put this underneath it. But you get the idea. This is in a size medium, and man, it fits me like a glove. It has a zipper all the way up the back, and then it has the little self-tie belt. I pulled it over to the side right where the wrap, kind of comes together. I love the ruffle around the bottom, and then all the little details like along the edge of the dress with the details in the lace. It's just really, really pretty and a really sweet dress for any occasion. It could be a good wedding guest dress or church dress or bridal tea dress or anything like that. Just a great all-occasion dress. Thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed this CupsHe video. Don't forget that I will have links to everything in the description down below, and use code Serena15 for 15% off your purchase of $65 or more. And if you want to download that app and shop that way, you can get 20% off with a code that I'll have down in the description box as well. So thanks for joining me today. So glad to have you with me. And until I see you again, have a stylish day. Bye-bye.